I'm about to tell y'all 4 ways on how you can use your 9-to-5 job to get ahead in life. You know, your finances. You know, a lot of y'all got dreams and stuff like that. A lot of y'all want to do a lot of stuff in life, but y'all feel like the 9-to-5 is the end goal, which is not. Like, I definitely understand how you feel, because me, myself, I still work a 9-to-5 job. I get up every day. I'm not going to lie, I hate it. Like, shit, I hate going to work, but I mean, bills got to be paid. The bills are going to start rolling in. So if y'all stick around to the end of the video, I'm about to give y'all a couple ways on how you could turn your life up and, bruh, basically one day just leave that 9-to-5 job and not even have to work again. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is you need to be allocating your time in the right areas. And what I mean by this is, like, a lot of people, they go to work, they work hard, they work their ass off, and then what they do, they come home and they just be chilling, like scrolling on TikTok, whatever the hell you might do, getting drunk, smoking weed. But like, a lot of people just be BSing with their time. I'm trying not to cuss on here because I really don't want to do too much editing. But yeah, a lot of people, they just waste their time after work. Like, they just come home and do completely nothing. Like, how do you expect to get out of a 9-to-5 job? How do you expect to leave that job that you hate if you coming home doing nothing? Like, just think about it. Like, just think about it for a minute. So you telling me you finna go to work for somebody else, you finna work your ass off, and then you finna come home and chill? Like, you just won a fucking Olympic? Like, I'm not even trying to be harsh on nobody for real, but like, it's just the honest truth. Like, a lot of people, they just come home and they just be BSing. If you claim you really want more out of life, you know, you want to be free, you don't want to be tied down to no 9-to-5 job, you want to live the life that you really want to live, you want to be able to do everything you want to do when you want to do it. Like, I feel like you really going to put it into action. You really going to take the time out to find something, you know, find other ways you can make money outside of your job other than just you getting paid by somebody else. Because think about it, as we work our 9-to-5 jobs, we not, of course we getting money in our pocket to pay our bills, but it's like they paying us just a little bit. They not paying us enough to really just live the life that we want to live. At the end of the day, we kind of slaves in a way. We not free for real. We helping somebody else get rich. And that's what I mean by we got to use our 9-to-5. We got to use the money that they pay us to, you know, fund our life, fund our business, set us free. We got to stop spending it on BS. The second thing I want to talk about is you got to learn how to put your money to work. Like, you got to learn how to make your money work for you. It's a lot of ways to actually do this. I feel like a lot of people just overthink it. They try to think about the perfect investment, the perfect thing to put their money into, try to figure out the next big move. Like, nah, start small, start with $5. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna tell y'all what I did in school, and especially for the ones that still in school, y'all take this game and run with it. Just be careful. I don't know if this gonna get y'all in trouble or not, but you know how you get money for like Christmas or birthdays and stuff like that? I didn't go blow my money on stupid stuff. I would take that money and I would go to like Walmart or Sam's Club, and y'all know how they sell like the variety boxes of candy? I would literally spend like $15 for a 30-pack of candy, like M&M, Starburst, all type of different candies, and I was selling for like $1.25 a piece, $1.50. Mind you, I spent $15 for like a 30-pack. So that means I'm making profit at the end of the day. And I'm telling y'all, I was coming home probably about $100 to $150 a day just, I'm talking about just stacking. I would reinvest that money every time until I eventually had got caught. Like, I feel like the teacher was just hating on me because I was probably making more money than they was, but oh no, you just gotta use your money wisely. Another thing that I do right now is, of course, YouTube. I just actually started this channel like today. This is a brand new channel that I'm starting on, but I do have another channel. I got like 2 other channels. One of them got like 40K and one got like 6K subs. Bruh, if you ain't got no YouTube channel in 2026, I don't know what you doing. Like, this is easy money. I ain't gonna say it's easy, but it's probably like some of the easiest money you can make. Like, once you get on and you get popping, bro, you straight. But yeah, there's plenty of ways you can make money out here. You just gotta like do your research, find it. Really, I'm just gonna say this: find out whatever you like to do. Don't try to do what everybody else doing. Find what you want to do. You feel me? Like, find out what you really like to do. Find your passions. What do you like to do as a kid? Like, what type of hobbies did you do? Like, maybe you like taking pictures. You can buy you a camera, charge for pictures. Maybe you like shooting videos. You can get you a camera, shoot music videos, you know, film weddings, film events, stuff like that. Just like, you know, just find other ways you can make money outside of your job. The third thing I want to talk about is change your outlook on your job. We got to realize that our jobs is not permanent. Well, I ain't gonna lie, for some people it is gonna be permanent. Like, but I know for me at least, and I hope for y'all too, if you watching this video, realize that your job is not permanent. It's just something that you doing for the time being to pay your bills and until, you know, you can get your business up and going, and then now your business can take care of your bills, and now you can just not bullshit every day, but now you can just live freely and just do what you really want to do. Some jobs pay good, some jobs don't, but we all got to realize that jobs is only going to pay us what they want to pay us. We can't control what they pay us. Yeah, we can ask for a raise, but at the end of the day, just think about it. Somebody else started their business and they employed you. That way you can make some money, but at the same time, you helping them make money. Y'all get what I'm saying? So me, the way I like to look at it, it's kind of like slavery, but it's not. If you get what I'm saying, it's like they using you to help. How can I say this? It's like they using you to help them make money, and then you making them so much money. Like y'all, that's what we don't realize. We probably making these jobs millions, hundreds of thousands, thousands of dollars, and they only paying us pennies. Like we barely even getting paid for real. We barely can pay our bills or whatever they paying us. Like that's when we gotta wake up. We gotta realize that we gotta use their money that they paying us to fund our 5 to 9. So we go work the 9 to 5, and then we use the money from our job to fund our 9 to 5. You feel me? Invest that money into stocks, crypto. Even though I don't know too much about that, retirement accounts, anything that's gonna give you like a return or like a high return or even like a little small return on your money. Anything that's gonna help you profit. That's what you want to be doing with your money from that job. All right, last thing I want to talk about is your 9 to 5, you work to feed your present, and your 5 to 9, you work to feed your future. And what I mean by that is, so let's say your 9 to 5 money, right? You use that to pay your bills, that's feeding your present. And then your 5 to 9, you use that money to feed your future. Like you use that money to put up for your future. You either invest that money into better equipment if you got a business or employees, whatever you need to use it for, or you can put that money. I probably wouldn't say like save that money. I would probably say like invest it into a stock account or Roth IRA, something that's gonna give you a return on your money, like I just said. I also just want to throw this in here too. The only difference between a rich person and a poor person is what they do with their time. Rich people read books. They invest, they study other people, study other millionaires, other billionaires. Like they learn, they never stop learning. That's another thing. Rich people never stop learning. And a poor person scrolls on TikTok all day. They always in gossip, always in drama. They always getting drunk, partying like they just won a fucking Olympics. Like they live with no purpose. Don't be that person. It's 2026 and I'm only 23 years old. I'm not trying to act like I got it all figured out, but also at the same time, I just want to grow as a person, grow my mindset. I want to change my life. Like I said, I made this whole video, like I want to document my journey. And I hope that some of y'all, whoever watching this, I hope y'all feeling the same type of way, because obviously y'all didn't watch this video for no reason. Y'all obviously feeling some type of way too. I just feel like we got to stand up. We got to take control of our life. Like and it's sad, they don't even teach this type of stuff in school. Like they don't teach us about how to make money. They only teach us the BS that really don't even matter, like the stuff that we don't even know. Like what the fuck is the Pythagorean theorem? Like what do I need that for? I haven't used that since I've been out of high school, and I've been out of high school for almost probably 4 or 5 years now. I don't even remember how to do the damn Pythagorean theorem. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. But yeah, though, we got to take control of our life. We got to really turn ourselves up for real. We got to stop letting these jobs finesse us. Stop letting them control our time. And what's really fucked up is like we can go to work, we can work our tails off. As soon as we ask for a vacation, they tell us no, but we done did all this stuff. We done worked our butts off. We done worked hard, and they can't even give us a simple little vacation. Just think about it, bro. We go to work and we have to ask somebody, can I go to the bathroom? Oh, can I go to lunch? Can I go eat a sandwich? Like, come on, bro. Is that the life you really want to live? Like me, I know me, that ain't what I'm trying to do. I know God got me here for a reason. I feel like my purpose is bigger than that. And I just feel like I want to take care of my family. Matter of fact, I don't even feel like that. I know that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna be the one to make a change. So I hope y'all feeling the same way. I hope y'all make a change in y'all life. And yeah, I hope y'all join me on the journey. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, please. Hey, let me know y'all age, where y'all from, if you seeing this video. And yeah, it's your boy NoLimit BJ, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next one.